Well, more to come, more to see, whatever, you know. hmm Well, I heard about a news anchor that committed suicide uh, 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 from Florida. You know, I mean that's kind of heartbreaking. I'll talk about that on another video. But anyway, I'm just here chilling and stuff like that. You know, I mean, hanging out in my house, chilling and stuff like that. I sure love hanging out with my next door neighbor and stuff like that. You know, I still can't stand that thug. You know, I'm gonna continue on calling him a thug. I don't care. You know, he not my friend, and never will be my friend. Cause I don't be friends with to to gangsters. You know, I don't. Especially somebody like that that's gonna be controlling and possibly abusive. He probably verbally abusive now or whatever. Well, he'll probably turn verbally abusive once they say I do. You know, who knows? That's my point of view. You know, so yeah, I'm broadcasting that out. You know, so about to go look out here and see what's up. It's cloud out here. You know. All right. Well, I must say, uh, like they say, you never know what somebody go through unless you be in these shoes. You know. hmm And her best friend Ronique was against me at first. You know, saying that don't worry about such and such. That's her fiance, and that pissed me off. You know, I want you to be in my wedding. I say no, I ain't coming to your wedding. You know, and when I walked out, she like, oh, he mad at me. Yeah, I was mad at her. Yeah, I was mad. You know, but all I say, may God be with her. All I can say is good luck. I'm not gonna congratulate at all, honestly. You know, why I'm not hating, you know, because I find something shady about him. That's what it is, you know. Cause like I said, you gotta go with your gut sometime, you know. Oh well, better go check my mailbox. All right.